StudyMojo.com.
Next question is, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. First part, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, the whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is the first part. And the second part to be evaluated is cot square theta. Cot square theta. It is given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. From that we are starting. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Therefore, the value of tan theta, we can find the value of tan theta. Tan theta is equal to the reciprocal. The reciprocal of cot theta is tan theta. Therefore, the value of tan theta will be the reciprocal of the value of cot theta. That means 8 by 7. Now, we can draw a rough figure. We are naming the triangle to be ABC, right angled at B. We are taking the measure of angle A to be theta. Now, this is the opposite side and this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to 8 by 7 means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side BC by AB is equal to, that is BC by AB is equal to 8 by 7. Now we are assuming the length of BC to be. Therefore, let BC to be 8x and AB to be 7x. We are taking BC to be 8x and AB to be 7x. AB to be 7x. So we can find out the value of AC. Therefore, AC is equal to square root of, using Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to square root of BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square. This is equal to root of 8x the whole square plus 7x the whole square. This is equal to root of 64x square plus 49x square. Square of 8 is equal to 64 and the square of 7 is equal to 49. AC is equal to, adding, this is 113x square, adding 64x square and 49x square, it is 113x square. That is AC is equal to root of 113 into x. 113 is having not a perfect square, therefore it is root 113. Square root of x square is equal to x. So we obtained the value of AC as root 113x. Therefore AC is equal to root 113x. Root 113x. Now we are going to find out the value of sin theta and cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. So, sin theta is equal to, opposite side by hypotenuse, that means BC by AC. BC by AC. Sin theta is equal to, the value of BC is 8x divided by AC is equal to root 113x. Cancelling x and x, it is sin theta is equal to, that is sin theta is equal to 8 divided by root of 113. Now cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. AB by AC is equal to, the value of AB is 7x by root of 113x. Cancelling x and x, cos theta is equal to 7 divided by root 113. The value of cos theta is also obtained. Now we are going to evaluate the first part. First part is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, the whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. The value is 1 plus sin theta, 8 by root 13, 113. 8 divided by root of 113 into 1 minus 8 divided by root of 113. The whole divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus 7 by root 13 into 1 minus 7 by root 113. This is equal to cross multiplying and taking the LCM, it is root 113 plus 8, the whole divided by root 113 into root 113 minus 8, the whole divided by root 113 divided by 1 plus cross multiplying root 113 plus 7 by root of 113 into root 113 minus 7 divided by root 113. This is equal to, the numerator is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that is root 113 the whole square minus 8 square, because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That means square of the first term minus square of the second term. The whole divided by root 113 into root 113 is 113 itself. The whole divided by, similarly here also it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, there also a square root 113 the whole square minus 7 square, the whole divided by 113. Now we have to multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator. That means root 113 the whole square is equal to 113 minus 8 square is equal to 64 divided by 113 into the reciprocal 113 becomes the numerator 113 divided by 113 minus 49. Now 113 minus 64 is equal to 49. This 113 cancelled, divided by 113 minus 49 is equal to 64. This is the value of the LH first part. Now we have to find out the value of the second part. Second part is we have to evaluate cot square theta. For that, cot theta is given. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Therefore, cot square theta is equal to 7 square divided by 8 square, it is 49 by 64 itself. That means the value of the first part and the second part are same. The answer is 49 by 64. Okay.